'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, yeah. So I told you guys I was gonna update you on my husband's job situation. I was gonna update on his job situation. So he was offered two jobs. All started today. All of which started today. So he went to, let me put you guys here. Yeah, so he was offered two of the jobs that he interviewed for. Well, he only interviewed for two. And he got both of them that was supposed to start today. Well, he went to one of them, and come to find out, the one that he chose, the higher paying one, didn't like Hispanic, and they didn't like black people. And my husband is Hispanic, and he's married to a black woman. So yeah, he was like, sorry to inform you, but my husband does not look Hispanic, so that's why he was able to divulge all of that information to him, like, freely, you know. It was like, I think he called him Spix, and he said something about the black driver, something. So my husband was like, yeah, this is not the place for me. So he raced over to the other one, because they both had the same start time. So he raced over to the other one, which was paying, you know, less, a little bit less. Not too much, but a little bit less. He raced over there, and the guy was barbecuing. He was cooking sausages at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you guys know anything about my husband, he loves to barbecue. He likes to grill. He enjoyed grilling. So I was like laughing, because I'm like, is this a sign? Like, you know. And he explained to him why he was late, and it was like, no problem. You know, he was like, if you want to work around your schedule, I can work around your schedule with your kids and all of that. And yeah, but anyways, so he starts tomorrow, which is Tuesday. He starts tomorrow with the new company. And yeah, so that's that. Today is VBS at our church, and I talked to my husband, told my husband I would cook him something really well if he drove me up there, because it's like 45 minutes to an hour depending on traffic, and I don't want to drive that. So I talked him into, I told him I would cook him some meal, and I would do something else. Shh, I can't tell you guys. Shh, there are children watching. And for him to take me up there. Granted, he would have taken me anyways, but you know, just to, you know, fill his belly. But we ain't doing nothing today. Everybody's just like a chilling. Like, the two boys are over there eating baby puff puffs. Stop eating the baby puff puff. I see you. Maddie's over there like, I don't care as long as they put a puff puff in my mouth every minute. Jackson's eating puff puff, and I have to clean my house. Unfortunately, I have to clean my house. So I don't know. I don't have vlog material. I don't have anything to put into a vlog, so I might just do a video of you guys watching me clean my house, or I don't know. I start my weight loss thing again today, because I have this really bad habit where I will do really well, and then I would mess up, like have a cheat meal or something, and before you know it, my cheat meal becomes a cheat week, and before you know it, my cheat week becomes a whole cheat month, and before you know it, my cheat month becomes my whole cheat year. Like, I'm just like stuffing my face with food, and it's just like a constant cycle where, you know, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna eat something really good, and then I'm shoving it in my mouth, and before you know it, I eat the whole thing, and then I'm like, what else can I shove in my mouth while I'm eating all of this really bad stuff? And I'm like, oh, so good, and then I'm like, I'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow come, and I'm like, I have a new excuse why I don't want to go back on my sad, pathetic, low-carb diet, and before you know it, I'm fat. Like, I'm 220 pounds now. Like, when did I get there? The last time I was 207. I was going back down to my, you know, my 180. before I had Maddie, and now I'm just like slowly climbing up. I'm like 221. I was 223 over the weekend, and I'm like, what happened? But it's just stress. It's like, it's genuine stress, it's genuine fear and all of that, why I shove stuff in my face. I done realize that when I'm stressed out or I'm fearful of something, I eat, you know, and I have to recognize that. So what I did is bought these boom chicka pop, and I measured them out into little baggies. So, and then I put it back in the bag. So when I want something to snack on, I can just pull out the right portion size. And look guys, I put up my hubby put up my letterboards for me, which was really sweet of him. And he didn't just stop there. He's an amazing man. I tell you about that man. He put up my I had this little arrow thingy for the longest time for our keys. So he put that up for me, even though I think it's a little too high, because the sign says welcome to our home. He put it up a little too high, but whatever. And then Friday night our neighbors blasted their music until 3 o'clock in the morning, so we didn't even get enough sleep for church the next morning. We were like late for church. We didn't even make it to Sabbath school, any of that, because we stayed up calling the police. We called the police twice, and where we live, you don't see police around here, like ever. I've never seen a police car, officer, nothing around where we live. And I was like, for us to be the one calling, it was like, come on now. But they're lifeguards, you know. It's a corporate apartment down below us, you know, where it's seasonal lifeguards. They come and they treat it like it's a party house, you know. They play their music real loud and they yell, and you know, because they don't have to live here, you know what I mean? So, but it's annoying because it's techno music and you're trying to sleep and everything is vibrating in your ears, and it's like, ugh. If you don't get rid of these people, and then the rental office going to be like, so what do you want us to do? Do you want me to go and change the locks and lock them out? No, that's not what I want. Not at all. Not what, no, far from it. My thing is, if I have to lose sleep, I will go to a hotel and deduct the rent. I will deduct the hotel from the rent. If I have to live like that, because you guys were the one that placed them down there. You should have put them in another building where there were other college kids and they were partying and stuff. You can't put them in a building where there are working people that have to go to work to come and pay to live here. No, don't work like that. Anyways, I'm ranting, so I'll see you guys later. Baby. You half baby? Yeah. No, your big old self ain't no half baby. So guys, I just went to the grocery store to pick up some stuff for dinner, and also for my for the low carb thing, the low carb diet that I told you I was doing. So I picked up some stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys as I take it out the bag. I don't really want to do a grocery haul because it's not really a haul, but it's just what I'm eating. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna edit this and give it to you guys because it's 3 o'clock now and I have to cook dinner. I have to edit this video so you guys can have it for today, and get my butt to VBS, which is like an hour away, and there's traffic. So we have to, VBS is at 6:30, so we have to leave here by 5 or 4:45. So I got this bread, and it says here that it is don't mind all this stuff on my table. I went grocery shopping yesterday. I didn't even do a haul of that. It says it's 6 grams of net carbs and 40 calories and 7 grams of fiber. And this is what, per slice? Yeah. So one slice gives you 6 grams of net carbs. And then I picked up this sweet potato, whole grain corn tortilla chips. And this one says it is 7 grams, 16 grams of carbohydrates for 9 chips. So I figured I would do that. I bought this, the Boom Chicka Pop popcorn yesterday. I got the chocolate one. It was so good. Oh, so good. But that was yesterday. And then they had these on sale, and these are the Harvest Trail Coconut Almond Bar. That, I hope it's good. It sounds good. And these were $5 a pack, and I think there's 5 in here. Yep, 5. And yeah, I bought 3. And then I had to try some Laura Bar because I heard really good reviews about these, and so I got the cherry. I got cherry pie, coconut cream pie, apple pie, peanut butter cookies, cashew cookies. I got some baked beans. These are vegetarian baked beans for dinner tonight, so I got 2 cans of that. I got some beef for dinner. I got some filet. My husband liked the filet beef, so I got some of that. And yeah, it's just filet beef. He likes that because it's tender. So I just got him 1 piece because it's super expensive. I don't know why. And as you know, homegirl's on a budget. Chocolate chip cookie dough. I got this kid's school supplies, but I'll show you. Go ahead. I don't care what you wear. Just wear something. I got some stir fry for dinner tonight. I might do it for dinner. I don't know. I got some teriyaki broccoli. I got some. These are veggie tots. These are veggie tots. So I have never tried these, so I'm gonna give these a try. And then I got some Ezekiel bread. Got some Ezekiel bread. And this is the cinnamon raisin one. A Crunks. Is that how you say it? La Crunks. I got the passion fruit one. I love these. Like, if you're like really addicted to soda and you have to have soda every day and trying to not drink soda, try these. There are no sodium, no calories, no sweetener, no nothing, just sparkling water, and it's so good, especially this flavor. Oh, I go through these like it's nothing. So yeah, that's all I did today. I didn't do anything, so I'm gonna edit this and give it to you guys, and I will talk to you guys on Wednesday.